Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Wednesday, the 8th of July. Looking at cable, interesting move on cable yesterday. It was a pretty decent upside break actually. Sterling really did push on through suggestions that there was a dinner between the EU officials and the UK government officials to do with the trade talks, and it sort of helped to foster some pretty an improvement in relations really, and that sort of helped to generate a bit of sterling upside. Little given back today, and interesting on the technicals, the breakout above 25.40 I think was a key move that we saw yesterday. Didn't quite make it into the close, actually on the limit actually 25.40 into the close, slight slip back today, but I'm sort of taking this as a move that I think is sort of generating a bit of upside impetus now in cable. I think weakness seems to be bought into on a fairly consistent basis, so certainly across the course of the past week anyway. And the upside break above 25.40 yesterday was, I think, an important moment, because you can see this through the momentum indicators picking up now. Even the MACD lines are starting to bull cross. Stochastics are rising, RSI above 50, and sort of RSI sort of confirming that above 52 was a breakout yesterday. So this is an important moment, but it's interesting. I've drawn in this big, heavy set downtrend line, and the reason is, look at that big downtrend line that actually caps these highs from all the way back from December. And yeah, it's an interesting move that we've seen there. So I think that if you do see upside moves, be careful around that downtrend, because even though this is a little base pattern, if I zoom in here, you can see that you could argue that is a small head and shoulders reversal top pattern, base pattern, bottom pattern, that implies sort of a test towards that 28.10 mark. You do have this downtrend that comes in around the 27 figure mark, so just be careful about trading too long on sterling dollar around that downtrend. In terms of the hourly chart, just a little disappointing move back below 25.40, which had been a basis of support overnight. But essentially, these momentum indicators are still positively configured. RSI consistently finding buyers around that 40 mark on the hourly, MACD lines around neutral. So still positively set up to buy into the weakness. And I think another higher low above that 24.60 mark, which was yesterday's low, would again continue this sort of trend of running higher and breaking through that 25.40 would be, on a closing basis, would be the final move. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and click to watch our Trader Talks videos to gain some top trading ideas.